Hi guys, nice to see you again. This is Joseph Kim and welcome to Joseph's Beginner Korean class. Alright, today we are going to learn 3 colloquial Korean expressions. First one, cry over spilled milk. Yeah. You made a mistake and you did something wrong, but it's too late to regret it, okay? So, cry over spilled milk. So sometimes you guys say in English, don't cry over spilled milk, right? How do you say in Korean in the same situation? 이미 엎질러진 물이야. 이미 엎질러진 물이야. 이미 엎질러진 물이야. 이미 means already. Adverb already. 엎질러진. 엎질러진 means spilled. 물 means water. So you spilled water all over the floor. Okay? You had a water in a nice vase or cup, but you made a mistake and you spilled on the floor. You know, what can you do? You cannot do anything, right? In that situation, 이미 엎질러진 물이야. 이미 엎질러진 물이야. 이미 엎질러진 물이야. So it's the same, exactly same situation to cry over spilled milk. Okay, so in English you use the word milk, whereas in Korean we use the word 물, which is water. Okay, but exactly same situation. Okay, again, 이미 엎질러진 물이야. 이미 엎질러진 물이야. 이미 엎질러진 물이야. Great. Okay, the second colloquial expression is it was like having my cake in 82. It was like having my cake 82. How do you say in Korean? 일석이조였어. 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 Okay, 일 means one. 석 is stone. 이 means two. 조 is bird. So this sentence means you throw one stone and kill two birds. So normally, in order to kill a bird, right? In order to kill one bird, you need one stone. So you throw out one stone and kill one bird. But in this situation, you throw out the one stone, but as a consequence, you kill two birds. Wow! Wow! How lucky I am! Yeah. So 일석이조였어. 였어. 였어 is like ending verb, representing past sentence, past tense. So 일석이조였어. 일석이조였어. 일석이조 is like one noun, okay? Like word. And 였어 is ending verb, representing past tense. So as a sentence, whole sentence, it was like killing two birds in one stone, okay? It was like killing two birds in one stone, okay? So 일석이조였어. 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 Great. Okay. The last one. Hand to someone on a silver platter. Okay. Hand to someone on a silver platter. This you guys knows what this means, right? So, without sacrificing or without paying something, I just got it. So, hand to someone on a silver platter. How do you say in Korean? 거저 받았어요. 거저 받았어요. 거저 받았어요. 거저. 거저 means like without payment. 받았어요. 받았어요 means received. So I didn't pay anything. I didn't do any sacrifice, but I got it. Wow. I'm lucky. 거저 받았어요. 거저 받았어요. 거저 받았어요. Okay. So like you went to the shop, right? You went to the shop to buy something. But luckily the shop owner suddenly tell you that hey, I have one big vase, like a flower vase, but it's too old to sell it. It's not really nice to sell it, and it's too good to throw out it. So I want to give it to you by free. Okay? I want to give it to you by free. So you just got it free. Then your response, wow, thank you so much. In that situation, 거저받았어요. 거저받았어요. So you carry out the big flower vase and when go back to your home and your mama ask you, hey, Mike, where did you get that? Then you are Mike, right? You tell your mama, Mom, 거저받았어요. In Korean, Mom, 거저받았어요. 거저받았어요 means I just got it without payment. Too easy, right? So 3 sentences that we learned today. It's quite a bit long sentence, but with explanation, you guys know that it's not that difficult. It's too easy, right? So keep practicing it. Remember that keep practicing makes you perfect. Okay? And I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.